Okay, hi all. Uh, Now in this class, what I'm going to write Epic's code. Okay, but this time it will be in different way. Normally, what I used to do, I will write something like this. Correct? Simply trigger name and on which object I want. But in MNCs, in fact anywhere, this is not considered as good coding practice. It's always considered that whenever you're going to write, it should be in a trigger handler, and in this something like this, there just you need to call them. What is the advantage of that? You can call that class multiple time and you can use multiple time. So how we going to achieve this? First step, go here. I will just give some class name, maybe um, what will the trigger I will give? Okay, I will give account trigger handler, where more than two contact it pop up an error. So account, now very first thing what I need to create, I need to make a function. So public static void. Public means is publicly accessible, static means should be common, and void means it don't have any return type. Okay, and the name you can give any name, maybe I will give before insert. Again you can give any name from your end. Now guys, normally what I used to do in Epic's trigger, if you go here, I used to declare some set, right? Here the same I have to do. But first thing, what's my agenda of this class? It should be like more than two contacts, or even more more than one contact pop up an error. Okay. So now first the contact. So what I need to do here, I will go here and I will take a list of contact, and the name I will give contacts. Okay. So basically now all the list of contact, whenever I want to fetch, I can call this contact itself. It will give me the all the list of contacts. Second thing, I do want an ID should be unique, so I will make set where all the IDs of what? Count IDs. Okay. This should be unique. So now two things I got. First, list of contact. Okay. List of contact. And here, or okay, leave it. Now I need to iterate them. Basically, what will be my agenda? I need to fetch. I want all unique unique account IDs. So for that, I need to iterate a loop. It's something like for contacts. Sorry, for contact. Maybe I will give C just as a reference of that. Now, basically here from this contact, I want to copy. So I will take and put here. So now what happening here, guys? From this contact list, everything will be stored in this. Okay. Now I will give some condition. It will be something like if my contact dot account ID not equal to null, then only this operation will get performed. Fine. What operation, sir? I want my all account IDs, set of all unique account IDs will store my unique contact account ID. Again, I'm repeating all the list of account IDs, or better, I will type it. List of account IDs. I want to store. So what I have to do here, guys, I will just keep that set. Okay. Dot dot. Uh, in this, I will keep my contact account ID. Okay. I hope till this part it will be clear to you. So yeah, this is the first. Now, once this will be done, now I need to run SQL query. SQL query from what? Now I need to actually want uh, list of ID comma name from account and list of contact. From that related account. Okay. Now and it should be unique. So what to do now? Select ID comma name from account. I also want contact, right? So just this is parent to child query, and I'm doing select ID from contacts. Very first question will be whether this will work or not. Okay, let me show you. First, I stored them in a list. List account. Hmm. Or I will keep this accounts. Okay. So guys, what's happening here? Here, basically from parent to child, I'm trying to run a SQL query. Okay, from account to contact. So let me show you first. I just copy this query from here to account. Go here, query editor, click on this. Yeah, here. Now, if I enter account and their contact IDs will come into the picture. Let me click execute. You can see showing. First account don't have any contact, so it's empty. Other accounts do have, so IDs. Fine. Next step. If that will be the case, that will be okay. But again, there might be a chance that it can be duplicate, right? So I need to give one more condition. That will be where ID in. Okay, ID in from this. So basically now what happening? Obviously it will give me list of contacts only, but from unique account IDs. Means I will give account and their child contacts, but those all will be unique, no duplicates. Next thing, once I complete this, I need to keep them in a map. I need a map to keep ID and count. Okay. So for that, what I have to do, I just need to create a map. In map, I will create ID, comma, what was that? Integer. Okay. Account map equal to new. Fine. Now again, I need to iterate this. So for this time, this iteration in terms of account A, and obviously for that I need to go for the list. Which list, sir? This list of this unique accounts. So basically in this iteration, what I'm doing, I I just take all the unique account on their associated contacts here in the story in this. Once I done, next step, I need to do a mapping of this. So I will say my account dot con, contacts. This what this will give me, my account, this all the list of unique account and contact stored in this. So that account and their contact size, what's the number? So this will give me, better I comment this, number of contacts on this account. So now next step, what I need to do, I just need to copy this and store in, okay, I need to copy this and store in a list of contacts. Okay, any doubt? So now guys, this step, basically in this step, all the contact size, okay, it will be stored in this contacts and it should be con. Yeah. Now what I need to do, I need to do a mapping. 1 second, some error. Okay, legal assignment teacher to list. Mm, okay, better what I can do here. I just remove this size option from here. This will be fine. No issue. Okay, so now this con came. Okay, next what I do, I just copy this and paste something like this, con dot size. This will give me number of contact to. Next step, once I get the size of that, I need to put in a map. For that, I need to call my map object, this account map. Now here, what I need to do, I need to give this my account dot id, comma, this contact dot, somewhere in the top I declared that here only. You can see there, right? ID integer. This is the same ID and integer. Map ID, comma, together. Any doubt in this? I hope not. So basically, guys, here what's happening? I'm just mapping both of them. Okay. Now, once this this step will be done, let's go for the final iteration. I know you are thinking like how little tricky this, but trust me, guys. Once you know this way, if you gone through, it will be help you because in organization there's always a team who will check what's your coding approach, your coding standards. Basically, all the MNC looking for one thing: you write the code as simple and as like if any other person can see, he or she can understand. Okay, now on this, what I need to do? Contacts, sorry, contact. I will just keep some variable of that, and now I will take that list from contacts. In this iteration, what the steps I need to follow? First, I need to define parent ID. So first I need to use a parent ID, that is account ID. Okay, then parent, then I need to find a count as well. If count is greater than 1, throw error. Simple. How to achieve that, sir? Very first thing, parent ID. Go here. Hmm, let me declare some account ID. So my variable, I need account ID. Use parent ID, that is account ID of from list of contacts. Okay. So now here, this is the variable X. Just go X dot. This is my account ID, guys. Okay. Let me copy this. Oh, sorry. This is my account ID. Next step, I need to store in something that's something I call as parent ID. Okay. What's the type of that? I will declare as ID. So basically, what I'm doing here, this contact account ID will be stored in parent ID. Okay. So now this is my parent ID. Now the first condition what I will give, if parent ID not equal to null, then only this operation will take place. Okay. Okay, this step is done. Now this is my second step. Now the second step is how I can take the count. So simple. The count by using by account ID, or I can say putting parent ID. So here I will use account map. In this account map, either you can write this one or you can write this one. Since we already declared this in parent ID, I will use this parent ID. Okay. Now I will count. I will give the name as count. I store this in an ID. Fine. So after this, what I need to do? Okay, parent ID taken, stored in count. Now the last condition. What is that condition? If count is greater than 1, throw error. So give here, go here. Okay, count greater than equal to 1. Into throw error x dot. What's the error, sir? Not more than, not more than one contact. Mm, Here one mistake. Sorry, it should be integer. Anything else left? Count map. Yeah, I need to put. Okay, okay, sure. Get this. Okay, guys. First, I will explain you this thing again. I taken a class name. I gave an account trigger handler. Okay. Then second step, what I done, I make a method before insert. Again, you can keep any name, and along with that, a list of contacts and a set of IDs. Again, list of contact will contain contact in ordered manner but duplicates as well. Set of IDs contain unique IDs but in unordered manner. Okay. Now I run first iteration on contact where I keep like account ID. If not null, then this action will be get performed. See this step no. Even if you remove also no problem. But just to keep extra precaution, I just kept that step. Now what I done here in that set, I added all my contact account IDs. This contacts is from all the list of contacts stored in this. So now from this contact account ID, all that I want to store in this. So basically I'm getting the list of unique account and contacts, account and their associated contacts. Now I run a SQL query parent to child where based on their ID, we should be unique again account IDs. Okay, all will be stored in accounts. This will be list of accounts. So it's in an ordered way, but at the same time because it's unique. So unique and ordered way. Okay. Third, I need a map. Why I need a map? Because I need to count ID and their count. Okay. So what I done, I made a map here. Then account map. Now next iteration I made an in account where this accounts, that is the list of accounts that I mentioned previously, everything will be stored in this A. Obviously here A dot contacts will be stored in list of contacts. And here next I use put. Basically what I'm doing, account ID and this contact size, I will map it both of them. Okay. And after that the last iteration where all the list of contacts store in X. Now here what I'm doing, I want contact account ID. That will be the parent ID. I will store in this name. If the parent ID is not null, then only this action will be get performed. What is this action, sir? Assume that, guys, here my account map. Here, what I have to do, I need to get it, that account parent ID, and I need to store in count. Okay. If count is greater than one, throw error. So similarly, I done here. If count is greater than one, contact on top of the page, it will throw this error. No, sir, I want only error will throw in contact. No issues. What you have to do? X. Maybe you want phone number field. So phone dot error. Okay. Now I need, this is a trigger handler class. For that, now I need to write an apex trigger, which is hardly 2 to 3 line of code. So just I will write duplicate contact. No, it should be contact validation. Okay. Now here what I'm doing. Here just I need to call my class name and their uh, respective functions. So what I will do, yeah, this is my class name dot their respective function will come. Just, yeah, before insert. And obviously, since it's a list of contact, I need to go here. I need to copy this list of contacts, and all this list of contact will store in equal to trigger.me. Okay, let me check anything else left. Contacts do not exist. Why? Okay, control all. So let me check, guys, whether this is working or not. Various contacts. Okay, I will go on this account. Some name I given. Okay, no contact here. Or better, I just erase the contact. Edit. Uh, just XYZ. Phone number I will erase from here. Okay, just save this. Go to this new contact option. one. And should be one contact is done. Let me go to this. Probably on second contact, it will throw an error, right? Let me create one more. Check two. Okay, contact number will be 777. As you can see, guys, no, not more than one contact error is showing. Correct? Means the trigger I wrote is perfectly fine, is working perfectly fine. Now, the question is, as I mentioned in phone field, that is the reason why it's showing in phone field. Few of them want that, no sir, I don't want in phone field, I want in top of the page. No issues. Let me save this. Now if I save, the same error will pop up on the top of the page. Let me check. As you can see, guys. So I hope you understand this. Now, guys, I will give you a similar kind of task. Okay. Again, those who practice, it will good for them. Those who didn't practice, it's totally on fine. What will I give? Okay. Account have more than two opportunity throw error. Try to complete this assignment, okay, by your own. Again, it's totally on you. From my end, uh, as a friend, I can just give you this task. If again, this will be the same approach. If you find any error, you can directly message me in my Instagram, okay. And for that, in the video end, you can see my Instagram ID. And guys, one last thing. Actually, previous in my previous video, also I given my Instagram ID. Now, what happened? Most of them guys start, providing their task to me. Guys, see, I'm here to teach you. I'm here to train you. I'm not here to do your work. You have to understand that. Okay. My only duty to make you understand how the thing will work, and you will work on that. What I'm seeing, most of people just pushing their work on my head. This is just not the way. If you have any doubt regarding this program or any coding interview program, you can DM me. I try to find answer from my end as soon as I can. Okay. Okay, guys. With this, this is end. Thank you for